Well, it's that time of year again where you gotta burn your pasture. Get my camera adjusted so it won't be like the last video where you cut my head off. Maybe you enjoyed that video where it cut my head off. Anyway. Hey, some of y'all don't know what this is. This is a burn can. This wick right here stays burning, gets a little fuel on it, stays burning, and you walk around and you pour fire out on the dirt. You get this sloshed out a little bit. Put us a little bit of diesel in this thing. Well, some diesel in this thing. I reckon probably about 2/3 diesel. You don't really need a whole lot of gasoline in it to make it really flammable. Right. Siphoning. That train got the siphoning action going. Alright, well. This here ain't got the government in it. So I'll use it. Because I know y'all like it when the government ain't in your business. And y'all know what I mean. That dang old thing where you, I don't know, anti-flow or can't flow much or whatever it is. You know, them things right there. When the government says you ain't smart enough to pour gas. And I might not be. I just smeared a bunch. Alrighty then. I don't want to do her. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to burn along this edge right here to create me a little fire break for when I burn the whole field. It's going to be a little rough starting it on this end because it's a little green on this end, but I'm going to try. I'm sort of stuck to doing it on this end because the wind's blowing this way. I want to go down to the other end and set the fire with the wind. Don't set the fire with the wind. Come on, bleeder valve. Go to the truck and get me some wrenches. Well, let me go to the truck and get some wrenches. I tell you what, that getting started after everything being put up for a couple years, that getting started gets tough. So I reckon now, I'll just see if I can work on something. All right, we stopped up on further down, ain't we? I would say so. Look at all that green in there. Lord mercy. Pocket knife fix everything else. Let's see if pocket knife fixes this. Come on, pocket knife. Need to set a little like torch tip cleaners. really need, I guess. I wonder what all this stuff is. I ain't never had to come into it. I may have to dang on figure out what the deal is and rebuild it or something. I don't know what I've done, but I've wiggled something loose. Dang. You'll see me on TV one day on some lawyer commercial. Say, have you ever stuck your lips to a fire can and tried to suck gas? A stuck gas can loose? You could qualify for $5 in our lawsuit. I'd be like, really? I never knew that sticking your lips to a fire can full of diesel and every other green harmful junk would be harmful. Hook me up. Huh. I'm turning it the wrong way. I'll break my little handle. And I'll be mad. Oh, man, darn, I got ugly taste. Should I have said kids don't try this at home? Hell no, because all you kids are smart enough not to do that. But not David. See, all that's free. Quit! Crazy somebody. Does this unscrew? Does anybody know? Does that unscrew? Any of my forestry people on here? Now I can't burn anyway. So now the wind's blowing 100 miles an hour. Yeah. But I think that's not what that does. You see that? That is just stored. That's just stored right there. I guess what you're supposed to do when you put it up, you're supposed to put it right there and plug the hole. So this kind of foolishness don't happen. I had no idea. Well, now I'll be ding snang. I think it's this. What's up? Now it's broken. What's up? Go look at that thing right here. They've been spreading fertilizer. Wish you come spread some on my place. I ain't got the money for that. I need to pony up and get this thing on YouTube channel off the ground so I can have some fertilizer. Heck yeah. Stop that. Would y'all, some of y'all come save me from myself? Ah, dang. I know it ain't polite to spit But if y'all swallowed every manner of filth like I just did, you probably would too. Let's see. Come on, go get it. Well, it still ain't coming. I tell you what. This right here is just a total failure. Uh-oh, a little dribble. Come on, little dribble. Come on, little dribble. It's starting to come a little bit, but it's got to come more than that, to be sure. Usually does. I reckon what? Hang it up, give it up, go get some proper tools. I know you can't see, but see how it wets that wick right there? I know it's, y'all don't know, there ain't no wind blowing 100 miles an hour. And ought to put enough gas in the diesel. Y'all don't know, diesel is kind of a little bit hard to burn. Diesel don't just flame up and burn. But I was gonna show y'all the dang old wick burning and how it did do that. Y'all know right now, you knew before you started, you know right now, this is not a how-to video. This ain't even a how David did it video, because David can't do it. Come on. See? There you go. That's it. Woo! I'm gonna stop. Stop. All right, crank up my dang old. My fire truck. See my little, got my fire truck set up. I tell you what, I'm as dangerous as a cocked pistol today. What's up, neighbor? Come here, I can wash your car. I know it. 100 mile an hour wind. That thing's took off now, ain't it? That thing has figured out how to burn. All right, I'm gonna quit while I'm behind. All right, that's the end of this. Bye, y'all. Y'all want to come back for some more of this foolishness? I'm going to try to burn this dang on pasture for long. I got hay pile down there I don't want to burn. Got a house there I don't want to burn. I got a chicken pen right there I don't want to burn. And you can't hardly see it, but right there, just several rows of irrigation line up, and I don't want to burn that. So come on back, we'll set this booger back afire. My fire truck, my fire bug, and crazy guy.